Back at it once again, man. We back on this, man. 2 videos 1 week, man. We getting active. I'm getting back on that grind. Yeah. Hey, before we run this video up, man, run them likes up, comment, subscribe, man. We in this. Package just touched down, man. Wheelie bar just came in today. Grab bar. But you know, my side of the world, we gonna call it a wheelie bar. You feel me? Just touched down. Really just didn't even unwrap it yet. But I got me a little Amazon thing to hold me over till that real boy come in. And this would have come like, might have bust this down. Let me move this. Take all this out, bolts, actual bar itself. And then I'm gonna be replacing the one I messed up. The last one snapped, but it was bound to happen because I was killing and abusing it. So yeah, let me open this up. And then I'm gonna unscrew these 4 bolts right here. They all 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't know if y'all can see them. Y'all probably can't see them. But there's 2 more right here. 1, 2. So it's 4 in total. You're gonna lose all of them and everything gonna drop. Yeah. Yep, these my old ones right here, man. You can see where the bar had snapped last time. Completely in half. I went too far back. I sent it. And yeah, them things snapped. But man, I dropped this so many times. It's been used and abused. It was about time for it to happen. So placing it with the exact same bar. It's right over here that I still ain't unwrapped yet. Same hardware, switching everything out, getting everything in there real good, real snug. Just throw this on there. This is how it goes. Random toothbrush, not toothbrush, paintbrush, get out the way. These 2 on each side gonna drill in here, which drill, I drill will go through the mount, which connects to these holes. And then you got these 2 little guys right here that go inside this to connect it to your plastic right here. And then you got these partners right here that screw onto this. So that little black plastic flap will stay up like this and it won't be hanging like it is now. And that's simple. That's all there is to it. All right, bet. That took longer than it needed to, but look, we on there, we in there. Oh yeah, the 2 bolts right there. I ended up not using the screw that goes right there because it wouldn't fit and I wasn't about to stress, and that ain't going nowhere, but look at that thing. Ain't going nowhere. To make it a whole lot easier, you can remove the muffler so you can reach these bolts better and you won't be struggling like I was, but I didn't feel like doing all that extra stuff. It was simple, but I was being lazy. But y'all boys see I got it in there. 1, 2. I used a different bolt right here because the one that they gave me wasn't the same size. I mean, it was the same size, but I didn't have a nut. I needed a nut because I broke the inside this was to twist into. When you take it out, you see what I mean. But yeah, so I had to put a nut on the back side because it's supposed to be this little black piece that twists into, but I broke all of mine off on all sides, so I had to put a nut there. You won't need one unless you broke it like me, but yeah. And then this black cover just sits on these hooks, like I said, and I ain't going nowhere. Mine's got a space into it because I scraped it, but yeah, man, first of all, we getting things done. Thing look back to normal. About to go out, give her a test run. See how she run. Handlebars still holding up, looking good. Twisty grips locked in there. They ain't twisting no more. Yeah. Bar install complete. Man, I'm sweating bad. But that's gonna be it for this video, bro. Bar on. That's what y'all boy can for. Make sure you like.